Let us discuss question number 10. Solve 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. So here variable m is present on both sides of equality sign. Solution. Take the question as it is, 3m equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Now here variable is on both sides of equality sign. If you wanted to solve it, means find the value of m. If you wanted to find the value of m terms to be one side and constants are another side of equality sign, we have to transpose. So here minus 8 by 5 is only the constant, so that will be only one side, and this 5m is to be transposed. This 5m is nothing but plus 5m only. If you transpose plus 5m to LHS, so 3m it will become as plus, will become as minus, plus 5m will become as minus 5m. 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 by 5. 3m minus 5m, for some time you forget about m. 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5, plus 3 minus 5, plus 3 means 3 plus symbols, minus 5 means 1 2 3 4 5. Technique only I am telling. Plus minus plus minus plus minus gets cancelled, 2 minus symbols are left. So minus symbols, how many are there? 2 are there, so minus 2, and for this m you can write, so 3m minus 5m is nothing but minus 2m, that equal to minus 8 by 5 as it is. Now both sides of equality sign, this is one term, that is minus 2m, this is also one term only. So both sides of equality sign, if you are having both sides minus symbol, you can cancel out, so minus minus gets cancelled, 2, so what is left? 2m is equal to 8 by 5. Now you wanted to find only m value, you don't want 2, so 2 is multiplying m, 2m is nothing but 2 into m. When 2 is transposing to RHS, transposing 2 to RHS, so it will divide. So what is there in the RHS? 8 by 5. So this RHS term is divided by 2, so that here what will be left? M will be left. M is equal to 8 by 5, and this 2 is multiplying, it will comes to the side, it will divide. 8 by 5 divided by 2. It is very difficult to divide a fraction with whole number. So what we will do, we will, instead of dividing, we will write multiplication symbol. So first fraction as it is 8 by 5 you write. Instead of division, we cannot divide directly, so it is a hard process. That is why we can multiply very easily. So instead of division I am taking opposite, that is multiplication. Since multiplication is very easy, that is why I am taking. So if you take division opposite multiplication, you should take 2 opposite also. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. 2 by 1 opposite is nothing but reciprocal of 2 by 1 only we have to take. So 2 by 1 reciprocal is nothing but numerator will become as denominator, denominator will become as numerator. So 2 by 1 is nothing but 1 by 2 if you write the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 1. Another name of multiplicative inverse is reciprocal. So we should, instead of dividing 8 by 5 with the 2, we have to multiply this 8 by 5 with the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 1, that is 1 by 2. 8 by 5 into 1 by 2, so 2 1 time, 2 4 times is 8. So 4 by 5 into 1 by 1 is left. 4 into 1 is 4, 5 into 1 is 5. So m value is 4 by 5. You got the value of m as 4 by 5. Now if your answer is correct or not, checking process. See that in LHS what is there? 3m is there, and RHS 5m minus 8 by 5 is there. Wherever m is there, put there m value as 4 by 5. If we get this value is equal to this value, that means LHS is equal to RHS, then verification is done only. Let us take now check condition. Check. LHS we will take. Left hand side what is there in the question? 3m is there. 3m is nothing but 3 into m. So 3 into m value is 4 by 5. 3 into 4 by 5. 3 into 4, whenever a whole number is multiplied with fraction, means that whole number is multiplied with numerator. So 3 into 4, that is 12, and denominator as it is you can copy. 3 into 4 is 12, and denominator 5 only you write as it is. 12 by 5 is LHS. Now RHS, right hand side what is there in the question? 5m minus 8 by 5 is there. 5m is nothing but 5 into m. M value 4 by 5. So 5 into 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5 as it is you write. 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20 divided by 5. 5 into 4, 20 by 5 minus 8 by 5. Now you can see the denominators. Denominators are same, means like fractions. So whenever like fractions are there, it is very easy to add and subtract. Here subtraction is there, so numerator subtraction 20 minus 8 you write, and the same denominator is there, that is why you write the denominator only once. 20 minus 8 is 12, the denominator is 5, 12 by 5. Now you observe both LHS and RHS. LHS is 12 by 5, RHS is also 12 by 5, both are same. By substituting m value as 4 by 5, you got left hand side value is equal to right hand side value, so you can write LHS equal to RHS, hence verified.